Goal Setting Thermometer, vertical banner. Motivating students is a must because we want the best for our students. Put this on your classroom wall or bulletin board and track every achievement that will take your class to their final goal. Specifications: 12-inch by 45-inch size, 10 ticks in each bar. Teacher testimonial: my students like seeing how much they are accomplishing. The Eureka Banner is perfect for any class, team, or group with a goal to reach. This wall decor item can encourage every student in the class to work to achieve the combined goal. A visible motivator will help students focus on the tasks at hand in order to accomplish the larger goal. This can also be used in the home for personal goals. You can hang this decor piece on your room's wall or door. Another place to use the banner is in offices. You can use it with your team to monitor progress towards the team objective. We offer many more products like this one. Check our catalog of other teacher supplies from Eureka.